Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into a comprehensive tutorial on using GridSearchCV for hyperparameter optimization in machine learning. We'll cover the concepts, implementation, and best practices with plenty of detail and a code example. 1. What is hyperparameter optimization? In machine learning, a model's parameters are learned from the data during training. These are the internal variables the model adjusts to fit the patterns in your data. Examples include the weights in a neural network or the coefficients in a linear regression. Hyperparameters, on the other hand, are settings that control the learning process itself. They are not learned from the data. You set them before training starts. Examples include *learning_rate, controls the step size during optimization. *max_depth, limits the maximum depth of a decision tree. *C, regularization parameter in support vector machines, SV.